Is making money online just a giant scam? If you're like me, that's a question that you've thought about a lot, and in this video, I aim to answer it. One reason why you might be questioning whether or not you can make money online, whether or not it's a scam or not, is because you may have already been burned with a course or some training that you thought was going to work out and it actually didn't work out. Another reason to be skeptical about making money online is because it sounds too good to be true, and we all know that if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. But here's the thing that we don't understand. In business, it is possible to make money. That's why businesses exist. In order for a business to be able to pay their employees, to be able to pay to have a building, lights, all the things that a business needs to run, they need to be able to make a profit. The beauty of an online business is that you don't have all the overhead of paying the rent for a building. You don't have all the overhead of paying for all these employees. You just need to have something in place that produces more money than you spend. So if you're the only person you have to pay and you only have to pay the expenses to be able to pay for things like creating a website and things like that, your costs are really low. And we all know that businesses, real life businesses exist and they make money. And if they can make money, why can't you make money, right? Your barrier to entry, what they call a barrier to entry, is a lot lower than being able to sign a 1 or 5 year lease on a building, hire employees, buy inventory, all these things. The internet has enabled us, all of us, to be able to make money as a business and make a lot more money than we're used to. But when we try to apply it to ourselves, we tend to have some kind of a hang up. And I think a lot of that is because we're used to just working a job for an hourly wage. So we might be working a place for $10 an hour, $20 an hour, $30 an hour, depending on what skills that you have and what you're doing. We're only used to making money per hour, whereas a business has to make not only enough money to survive and have a profit, but also to pay everyone else that has the expectation of getting an hourly wage. So you can see here, there's a big disconnect mentally between running a business, having a business, and being an employee. So that's a big mental shift that you have to make, is understanding that you're not just working for yourself online, you're actually building a business that can be profitable. Once you make that connection, it becomes a lot easier to see that making money online isn't a scam, that it actually has a lot of potential to be able to be profitable, and way more profitable than you could be at just working a 9-to-5 job. The next question then you have to answer is which business model is right for you. So this can be a number of different things, and I would try and stick with something that is interesting to you, because if it's interesting to you, you're going to be more likely to stick with it over time. If it's something that you think can make money, if it's something that you see other people making money with online, but you're just not quite sure if you want to do that, then I recommend that you try and find something else that seems like it's a better fit. So this can be anything from being a freelancer. You can actually sell your time as a package on different websites like Fiverr or Upwork. This can be a really great way of getting introduced into making money online and making money in a way that's a little bit more close to making money at a regular job. Because you're selling your services and you're selling your time just as you would on a normal job, it kind of gets your feet wet into the world of making money online, because you're just translating that from working for an employer to working for different people on the internet. You can also do that in addition to working your normal job, so that will help the transition a little bit between working a 9-to-5 and going all in with the internet. So selling your services for a fee on these different platforms is a great way to get started. Other options can include e-commerce. It could include creating and selling a course. You could build a membership site. You can do something called affiliate marketing, which is a great way to be able to sell products that you don't actually own. Sometimes people think that it's a pyramid scheme because it sounds a little bit like a pyramid scheme, but really what it is it's a process of making a commission off of a sale. So you don't have a downline, you don't have all these things that an MLM is typically known for. It's a legitimate model. It's just that you're basically a salesperson. You're introducing people that have a problem to a product or a service that will give them the solution. So as you can see, it's not necessarily a matter of is it a scam or not. There are certainly business models and things that are a scam or can be a scammy, especially if you're trying to learn something from someone who hasn't done it themselves. But at the same time, there are tons of different business models that work. You just need to pick one that seems right to you and go with it. Someone that I like to listen to personally is Russell Brunson. Now, he's a co-founder of a company called ClickFunnels, which is a software company. company, but he has a ton of marketing information and a ton of foundational information on how you make money online. And he really boils down and explains the concepts in a really simple way. With Russell, he studied marketing his entire life, and he's put together a few different books and a lot of different training on the subject of digital marketing and making money. So if you haven't read these things already, I highly recommend that you do so, because it helps clarify the concepts around making money online and really why this works. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe to the Cloud CEO channel and cover different topics like digital marketing, YouTube growth, and systems and automation. So if you're interested in those things, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And also, if you have questions or comments about the topic of making money online, what different business models there are, what things are a scam, what things aren't, things that I would recommend, just be sure to leave me a comment below. I'd be happy to read those and get back to you. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.